What if I told you that 8.2 million Australians are tuning in into podcasts every month? Podpool 24, Australia's most comprehensive podcast survey, reveals fascinating insight into our growing podcast habits. Nearly 40% of Australians are regular podcast listeners, with Millennial and Gen Z leading the charge. 2 million Aussie even listen daily, and the most popular genres are crime, comedy, and, of course, the news. This shift in media consumption is reshaping how we get information and entertainment. It's not just about passive listening. Podcasts are driving action too. Here's the mind blowing facts: 40% of listeners have purchased a product after hearing